So how do you prepare a used iPhone to be sold? So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, there are things which apply to you personally, so you do not lose your data, and there are things which you have to do so the phone is actually ready to be sold. Right? Obviously, if you want to keep all of the data, like the photos and the messages or whatever, you have to somehow back up the iPhone or just export all of the data to a new iPhone if you have it already. So, for example, you can go to your settings, your profile, and at the top, tap on iCloud, and you can see we have the iCloud backup option. So, you can back up all of the things right now to your iCloud storage in case you have enough of the storage available. Or if you have the new iPhone already, you can just put it side by side. And during the setup process, you're going to come across a page which is going to ask you if you want to transfer all of your data from the old iPhone to the new one. So you can just click a few buttons, follow the instructions, type in your passcode, and all of the data from the old iPhone will be moved and transferred over into the new one. Right, so that would make sense. But once you just have all of your things stored and backed up, in order to sell your iPhone, you have to delete everything from it and wipe it fully, right? And the best way by far to do it is by going to the settings, general, and at the bottom you have transfer or reset iPhone. And you can see, you can basically click on the erase all content and settings. So it's going to tell you what exactly that means. Like you can see that the Apple account will be removed. The Find My activation lock will be removed as well. So you have to confirm it with your Apple ID password, and also apps and data in however many gigabytes worth you have there. So all of that will be gone and your phone will basically behave as brand new out of the box. So that's what you have to go through before you actually sell your iPhone, either online or anywhere else. But yeah, that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I really hope I could quickly help you out. Thanks a lot, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos too.